My name is Denise António. I am the UNDP resident representative based here in Luanda, Angola. I am a Liberian by birth, and I have dual nationalities, both as a Liberian, also as a US citizen. I have been in the UN for over 27 years. This is my second time in Angola. In my first round in Angola in 2015 to 2019, I served in a different capacity. I was the Deputy Country Director for Operations. And so just trying to make sure the administration of the office ran smoothly, also to make sure that we were supporting the program colleagues in delivering on their mandate and its support to the government. Since I returned in October of last year, of course my role is quite different. I'm still responsible for the operations, but moreover responsible for the entire country office. Of course, the UNDP office has expanded. We've been fortunate to support the government in the implementation of the Global Fund grant, which the grant has significantly increased since the time I was here. And that's predominantly in the area of Global Fund, where we are working in the 3 diseases, helping to strengthen the capacity of the health system in Angola. And thanks to the government, we have worked very closely with the Ministry of Health, and we continue to work with them both at the central level and of course at the different provinces. We are currently serving in Benguela and Kwanza Sul, and we will be covering BA as well. And so we work with the provincial government as well at that level. This year, 2024, began our new program cycle, and our program runs from 2024 to 2028. Our areas are very much aligned with the government of Angola, also with a number of development partners. The 4 areas, of course, are economic diversification. Angola has a very, very large percentage of the informal sector. And how do we look to build their capacity, but also make them responsible citizens in terms of paying their taxation? But of course, making sure that the social contract between government and the people is strengthened so that people feel their responsibility and their obligation to contribute to the country. And to ensure that we lift the people of Angola to be able to be contributing citizens and also leave no one behind. There are many potentials in this country, and all we're trying to do is really see how we can bring all the partners together, all the stakeholders, particularly also including the private sector. And so we've been engaging quite a bit with the private sector to see how we can support them in really coming together, making sure that we reach those sustainable development goals that we all have aspired to over the last couple of years. The world that we live in is not just about us. There's more than just me or my family or those who I'm comfortable around. And I think we need to stretch beyond those that we see as people we need to take care of. We have a world full of young people, full of potential in our continent. I'm very, very passionate about elevating the continent of Africa. And I think that if we each do our part towards making our countries better, and then our continent will be better. But we start from within and we move out each and every day. I think that's my greatest advice to anyone who wants to hear what I have to say. Thank you.